Hi guys, Kandi Toy Box here. Today you will need some white, red, and brown pony beads. I have scissors, a lighter, a needle, and then I have a little over a foot of string. And we're going to start with the red pony beads. On each end you'll put a bead on. And just let those fall to the middle. We're going to add a red, but both strings will go through. We're going to add a red on both sides, a red that goes through both, a red on both sides, a red that goes through both, and a red on each side. And we have 7 rows, so I'm going to count those and make sure. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so what you're going to do is hold this piece of string and then pull this one. And then pull these two here. And just keep doing that until you have a little piece of string. And then you're going to tighten that and tie these together. And this is what it looks like. So this is 1 row, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you should have 7. We're going to put the needle on. You're going to go through this red. And I'm going to add 1 white, 1 red, we're going to add 1 red. I'm going to flip this around and we're going to go through all 3 of these. So we came out of this bead, circled around, and you're going to go through these 3 here to come out of this middle bead. We're going to add a brown and go through the red. Flip it over. We're going to add a brown. Go through this brown. Add another one. We'll tighten this up. So what we need to do is go down this red and pull, make sure you're pulling that tight. We're going to go down this brown and down this red. So what we're doing is making a path to circle around to get through this bead here. Now you're going to add a brown and go through. Flip this over, add a brown, go through this one, add a brown, same thing. We're going to have to go down 3, circle around to get to this bead. So we went through all those. go through. We're going to add a brown. Flip it over. Going to add a brown, go through this one, add another brown, same thing. You're going to go through all three of these. And this is going to be the last bead, this brown one, and we're going to go through this. Now we need to backtrack to get over here. So we're going to go down this brown, up this brown. So we're just going to weave back and forth to get over here. And make sure you're pulling that string tight. We're going to go down this red, up this red, and up this red. We're trying to get to this bead here. Okay, I'm going to flip this over. So we're coming out of this bead, we're going to go through this red one. I'm going to add a white right here and a red. Flip it over. I'm going to add a red, another red, another red. We're going to go down this red, because we need to get back to this bead. So we're going to go down this red too. So we went down these two, and then we need to go up the white, up this red, and then down the red. We're going to add red and another red. We're going to go down this white, down this red, up this red, and then down this red. And we're gonna add a white, and I'm gonna go through these two so I can tie it off. And here's our little mushroom. And I am going to put this on a bracelet. You can put this on a necklace or whatever you want to do. Let's see if this is long enough. I'm going to do one more rainbow. Yeah, that looks long enough. There we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. I'll see you next time.